Hello, in the last video we learned how to install WP custom cursors on your WordPress installation and how to add a cursor to our entire website. In this video we are going to learn how to add the cursor to only a section of our website. So let's go back to our WordPress, click to add the cursor, select the cursor, choose the cursor color, size, blending mode. The cursor is hidden on tablet and mobile. Click next, next, and here instead of clicking on body, click on elements. Once click on elements, the first input is the selector type. It's either tag, class, ID, or attribute. You can add a cursor to a section based on tag name, class name, ID, or attribute. Let's go ahead with tag. And let's go to our front of our website, and suppose we want the cursor to be only added to this image here. If we see the image, our website code, the image is inside a figure tag. We can use either image or figure tag to add the cursor to the image on this side. So let's select tagged and type figure and click the save. Refresh the page, and as you can see, the cursor is added to the image, but it's also added to other images on our website. This happens because we basically told the plugin to add the cursor on every figure tag on our website. You can see here the cursor is activated on figure tag. You can click to remove or update the cursor. Let's go ahead and click on update. Here, now let's click on class name and add the cursor to a section based on class name. This time, suppose we want to add the cursor to this entire section. The section has a class name lineful. You can select every class name your div has. Update the cursor. Now refresh the page, and as you can see, the cursor is added to the entire section, and when we go above this section, the cursor disappears. Once again, click on edit, next. There are other options here too. For example, ID. If you have a section with a specific ID, you can write the section ID here, and you can also choose a section based on the attribute. For example, style, class, ID, or other attributes. Okay, thank you for watching.